Hi guys, yes, it's me again, Miracle from Metrics Trading Professionals. I would show us how I will show us how to trade with the moving average. Okay, so this is gonna be a very quick one. So let me remove everything on the chart. Right click and I click on indicators, indicator list. Where is it? Where is that? Okay, indicator list. There's it. I delete. So I have my plain charts. So sometimes you could hear someone say naked charts. Okay, so this is the naked chart, and we're going to, of course, learn how to trade the naked chart. So trade just the charts. All right. So this is Great Britain pounds USD. Okay, pounds dollar. So let's trade with the moving average. So what's the moving average? Moving average is one of the technical indicators we have, and it's applied on the chart. Is a trend indicator. It's applied on the price. We have about 4 types of the moving average. So this is the moving average. How do you insert the moving average? When you go to your navigator bar, you click on indicators, you click on trend, then you scroll down to look for the moving average. So you either drag it into your charts, then fill in this, or you right click on it and click on attach to your chart. Then other way to do that, there's a shortcut here. Oh, the shortcut is not here, so I have to bring it. So if it's not on your system, let me just do it for you to learn that. Where is it? Indicators. So I double clicked on it in order to bring it here. You can see it here. Now there's still something I want to bring, periods. I'll show you that's for time frames. Or let me leave it when we talk about. Fine, let's have it there. So is that you click on insert, or you double click to have it there. So I think that will be all for now. Toolbox. Okay. So okay. Now look at it. Look at indicators here. You drop down, look at the moving average. You can still come down here to look for it if you don't have it here. If it's not here, these are the most recent used indicators. So if the one you are looking for is not here, you just click here and drop down to look for it, or under oscillator. So you need to know the category of the indicator you are looking for. So this is it, moving average. We click on it. So indicators are mathematical computations. There are programs that helps us to analyze the forex market. So it's either applied on the price or the volume. So the moving average, we have the 4 types of moving average: simple, exponential, smoothed, or linear. You can see that. So you click on, let's say, exponential. Apply to what? The open price, the high price. Candlestick has 4 prices. It signifies 4 prices: the high, the low, the open, and the close. I think I would throw light into that. Then of course the median price and all this. So I like applying it to the close. Then of course you can select the line style or the weight of the line, like the thickness level of the line. So we've used the red before. Let me just change it to yellow. Of course, let me still increase this. So 200, let's use 50. Let's use 50. Okay, so this is H4 chart. So how do we trade the moving average? Okay, now I spoke about candlestick. Let's go to the M1. So every candle has an open price and a close price. Now the red one here is a bearish candle. It's not about the color, but it's about how the candle is. While the green one here is a bullish candle. Can you see, as it's going up, it's printing green, so it's bullish. Now anytime it goes down, it's going to print the red. Now this is high. You can see this thing that looks like like a pin. So it's called wick. And then this one is called, under there also you can see the thin line, it's also called wick. So this is the upper shadow and the lower shadow, like this. Look at it, lower shadow. This one is longer. Okay, look at it, lower shadow. So if every candle has, most candles, okay, because this one doesn't have any shadow, it doesn't have wick. This one doesn't have a lower wick. it has an upper wick. So some candles will have both upper and lower. Some it will be very tiny. Look at this, very tiny, very small. You know why this doesn't have the lower? It has a little upper wick or upper shadow. Then this doesn't have any wick at all. Okay, can you see as it's coming down, it's painting green? So that's bearish. And in the forex market, if it's going up, it's called bullish, and if it's coming down, it's called bearish. So take note of that. So quickly, for candlestick, let me use which one will I use here? Which of the candles will I use here? Now let's assume this has a wick. This will be the high. So of course it will be on a price. Look at price here. So let's assume it's 1.2687. Now this is the open because it's a bearish candle. This is the open. Oh, so let's call it 1.26860. Then look at this is the close. This was where it closed. If you had looked, so that is C. So H for high, O for open, C for close, and L for low. So this is the low. Okay, and then let's call it any price here. So each of the candle has a price. Let me point on the candle and show you something. I have to clear all this. Let's clear the chart. Let me point on the candle and show you something. I'll point on this candle. Okay, let me go to a higher time frame. The H4 time frame, let me check something. Okay, so can you see close, low, high, open? So that's it. Now if you notice, the open of the candle is greater than the close, 0.268, the other one 0.265, because it's a bearish candle, so it closed below. Look at this one, a bullish candle. Check the close. The close is greater than the open, 0.268, open at 1.260, 1.260, the other one 1.268. So you can see the difference. So a bullish candle would open down and close up. A bearish candle would open up and close down. Of course, low is down, high is up. So the wick, upper wick is always up, lower wick is always down. So open up, close down, bearish candle. Open down, close up, bullish candle. All right, you just need a little practice to get that perfected in your mind. So a quick one back to the moving average. So how do we trade on the moving average? How do we trade the moving average? It's a simple strategy I just want to give, so we are not going to stress ourselves here. Now if you find price, it's a simple thing here. You find the market above the moving average, buy. You find market below the moving average, sell. Now as simple as it is, now let's use H4 and D1 only. Let's use H4 and D1 only. Okay, now you're going to just do this in order to practice it. Okay, of course you're doing it on the demo account. We are going to work. Okay, we're going to work with time, so you would understand entries. Now what I'm teaching, or what I'm trying to show you, is what I call direction. Let me type something for us. Let me type something for us. Now each time you engage on the chart, take note of this. Each time you engage on the chart, each time you come on the chart, you are doing either of this. So direction or entry / exit. So what I just said on the moving average, buy when the price is above the average. So when price is below the average. As simple as that. As simple as that. We are in subsequent classes, in subsequent videos, I would explain, I'll give further details on this. So that's direction. So this is all about direction. So let me write direction using the moving average. So I believe it's not difficult to understand. Buy when price above the moving average, sell when price above is below the moving average. As simple as that. As simple as that. Then as time goes on, we're going to get details on entry. Okay, so it's just stick to one time frame. Okay, stick to one time frame. So if you are using the D1, you are going to buy now. Of course, if you are using the H4, you are going to sell now. All right, now what will I say? Okay, so as simple as that. So let me assume now I'm using the H4. I'm going to sell now. Then choose your lot size. If you open your demo account, try to open something that is around what you would want to fund. So if you want to fund 1K, try to open 1K. But anyhow, even if you open 100K, $1 million, anything you open, now ask yourself, what would you want to fund? So for every $1,000, you can trade 0.01. So let's assume I want to fund 1K. I'll change the loss at every $1,000, you can trade 0.1 since. Yeah, you can choose 0.1. So 0.1. Now, for now, you might not bother with stop loss and take profit. Just pick your trade. Then, after a while, you can close it yourself. Just pick it. So, sell. All right, I'll open another position. I just hope this video is not too long already. Moving average. So, this time around, I'll drag it to the chart. Remember, I'm using H4, so I want to stick to H4. So I'm going to buy. Hope you see what I do. Okay, so let me buy. So just open several charts. Open like 10 positions. Okay, on good. Let's put the moving average. Good. Moving average 50. Remember, I'm using 50. You can use 100, 50, or 200. Anyone. Stick to one period also. 4. Then let's sell. Price is below it, so let's sell. Okay, so these are the 3 trades I'll be taking in this session. It's as simple as that. We're not even doing anything. Okay, so just do this. Remember, we are just coming up. We're just practicing. We just want to learn. We just want to grow. Okay, so just do that and let's see what happens the next day. Okay, tomorrow is Friday. Of course, if you try it on a Monday, see what happens by Friday. Try it on a Monday, see what happens on Wednesday. So check it every day, what's happening every day. So use it to understudy the market for 1 week and see what's happening. So on Tuesday, you check it. So, but take note particularly on Wednesday and on Friday. So when you pick the trade on a Monday, check particularly what happens on a Wednesday and on a Friday when the market closes finally. All right, so that's for that. I believe you got value. If this is your first time of coming across our videos, kindly subscribe to the channel. Of course, share the videos to other persons so they would also see it and learn from what we are doing here, what we are offering here. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day.